Hey, the other day I got a flat tire and I found this screw in the tire. Today, I want to show you, using this cool kit, how to fix that tire right quick.
Sometimes you don't need to take the tire off. Just to make the video a little easier to shoot, I'm going to pop this off. This is a breaker bar. I also keep this in the car. I mean, those cheap, janky lug wrenches, this is like 10 bucks, okay? I actually have kind of a whole kit in the back of the car. Also, if you have your tires replaced at a tire shop, sometimes they over tighten the lug nuts, and man, they are hard to get off when you're stuck in the side of the road. You just want to loosen these. Now we're going to jack this up. So be careful when you're jacking up a car. Make sure the front wheel is chocked so it won't roll while you're doing this. You know, I bought this tire kit a while ago and I was like, that'd just be good to have in the car. And it's just like by luck that this didn't happen in like the Walmart parking lot. Not that the Walmart parking lot has nuts and bolts and screws in the parking lot. But I just, in the garage it went flat, so I'm like, perfect. Let's make a video. Just gonna put this under here. The patch we're gonna do, it's a puncture repair kit. Once you do this repair, you should, you can drive home from the parking lot wherever you have your flat, but you should ultimately get the tire patched properly at a tire shop. This is like watching paint dry. Eric taking a tire off. Don't lose these, okay? Okay, this doesn't want to come off. This happens all the time with cars, so this is why I carry another tool in my car. A 2-pound sledge. You're just tapping along the rim. It takes longer than you think sometimes, but then your tire comes off, and there you go. I gotta fix this. So you can see these rust spots here. That gets stuck onto here. Just take this and go around. It might take longer than you think to get it off, but you want to break that rust bond. This is taking forever. Wow, this is just, wow, look at that. That's a thing. How did that get into there? So this is the kit I bought. I got this a couple years ago. It was just kind of peace of mind. I'm all about being prepared, well, everywhere, home and in the car. I haven't had a flat tire in probably 20 years, but I thought if I carry this, I'll never need it. Does that work? That works for me sometimes. But this is a simple plunge. I think it's called a plunge kit. It's essentially these rubber strips that have glue on them. We're gonna clean out the hole, pop this puppy in and pull it out, and then this goes in and sticks and plugs the hole. I look at this as a short-term solution. You should take your tire to your tire people and say you want an inside or interior patch. These guys do work. When you go along the road, sometimes it'll make a thump, 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 thump sound because this little bit of a plug is sticking out of the tire. Okay, enough of me. Let's just do this and see what happens. That's really what we're here for, isn't it? Chrome all. I mean, I didn't buy it because it was chromy, but it had a lot of high ratings on Amazon. The link will be below and in the pinned comment if you're interested in my tire prep kit. So first we want to go in and clean out this hole. This will go in. It's got like sharp on the sides here. You should keep these in a Ziploc bag. Do I have one in my pocket? I think, no. I don't have them in my pocket. Anyway, these can dry out over time, so just be aware of that. They have some kind of a stickiness to them. Oh, this is the wrong thing. This has, well, kind of a hole here, and then there's a bit of a slit as well on that. I don't know if you can see there's a little slit here and there's a big hole. This, you just press down the end of it to make it easier to go in here, like that. And you want it equidistant, like that. Then there's, this is, I think it's kind of like it looks like a Vaseline or something. It's a bit of lubricant, like that. Maybe it's a grease of some sort. It feels like dried out skin moisturizer. By the way, this is the first time I've done this. I'm not an expert at tires. I just want to share with you my experience of this, and sometimes the videos, the best ones are like, oh, I got to fix that thing. Oh, a flat tire. And this is one of those. So and then this. That is the hole, right? I think I got to ream this out a little more. No, that's open. How about that? All right, I think the camera tilted. I got this pressed in, and then I noticed that the camera had gone. I bought a new tripod. I can't find it. So this is in now. Do you see this little, there's a little spacer thing kind of built into this second tool. Right here. That keeps you from pushing it too far in, which is smart. So I've got my foot inside the tire here. And then we pull this out, like that. And see that thing? It stays in, because this little split part here, this part here that has kind of a slit in it, this thing goes, boom, pulls off that, and stays in there. Neat, huh? That's very cool. That is so, like, simple. If I wasn't making a video about this, you could do this in about 3 minutes. It's like boom, boom, boom. And the kit comes with a little craft knife. So you can't just leave that little rubbery part sticking up. That's why the craft knife is here. I'll put this out as far as I can, and then you want this to be as flush with the tread as possible. Don't put your finger here, okay? Move your fingers away. Look at that. Okay, I gotta put my fingers in there for a second. Let's go back this way. How cool is that? So I'm gonna shorten this up a little bit so I have a little more control. And just clean that up. It's a little above, that rises a little above, but we're gonna get this repaired because this is not a permanent repair, remember? Just take some cleaner, some soapy cleaner. I mean, yeah, some bubbles come out of here, but just see if you got any new bubbles coming out there. And I don't see any. I don't hear anything. The spray is really your kind of litmus test here. How cool is that? And that was, what, $15 you keep in your trunk? You can do this on the car. You don't have to pull it off. I pulled it off to make it easier for you. You could keep a tire pump in the car. I keep a little electric pump, but you could just have a tire pump. Simple as good. I have a sledgehammer. I have a vest. You might get hit, you know? You don't want to get hit. So just be careful out there. Just wanted you to show this. It's pretty cool. Maybe right here is another video. Spend some more time together. I think we do. I think we can. It's there. Nice, huh?